Welcome back to another daily doodle session. This is part 5 of drawing different shapes of snowflakes. So we're going to start with a cross in the middle. And we're going to do slightly shorter ones in between these. And after that, we're just going to make diamond shapes of these ones. Now, when you get to this point, let's add some nice heart shapes to the ends of these diamonds. And we're just going to finish the drawing with these little arrow shapes. Let's add maybe 4 on each. Alright, there we go. That's today's snowflake. I'm gonna come with a different shape tomorrow, and I hope to see you there.